Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to March 30th, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, today's activity is DIY Solar System Model, an exciting journey through space as you build a colourful, interactive model together. Let's get started. Step 1. Assign tasks and paint the Sun bright yellow, Earth blue and green, and Mars bold red. Make it a fun family effort. Step 2. Arrange the planets in order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and beyond. Add labels and fun facts like Jupiter is the largest planet. Step 3. Use the model to show how planets orbit the Sun. Discuss their unique features and vast distances. Step 4. Watch a space documentary or movie to connect your model to real-life space wonders. Step 5. Celebrate your creation. Display your solar system and reflect on the teamwork and learning behind it. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Shared learning. Exploring space together. Creativity and curiosity. Bringing science to life. Celebrate today by fostering a love for science and inspiring future space adventures. Thank you for joining us. See you tomorrow. Family Life Skills Calendar. Cherish today. Celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best.